Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed about the matrix multiplication. Okay. Now, we will continue from that. As you know, matrix multiplication, the condition is the number of columns of the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. ताहले देखिए matrix multiplication हमारा संभव हो पाएगा. So yesterday we have done some multiplication. Continue on that. Okay. So now you can have, suppose A is a matrix of order 2, B is another matrix, two by three, R row, R column, first matrix row column equal to second matrix row. पहले ये मल्टीप्लाई AB. Now here you have to multiply like this. 1 2 0 2, 2 plus 1 2, 1 2 0 2, 3. Then this one 1 3 0 3, 2 4 0 8. 1 3 is 3, 3 4 is 12. Then this one 1 1 is 1, 2 5 is 10, 1 1 is 1, 3 5 is 50. Okay. Now here is your 2 by 3 matrix. It becomes 4, 11, 11, 5, 15, 16. Which is a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay. You can write out this one. Example. Okay. Now we will see some properties of matrix multiplication which can be used in future. Now, proper. You can say property 1. When you multiply a matrix with an identity matrix, then obviously the identity property will hold. You will get the same matrix. A I is equal to A, such that A and I multiply. Condition satisfied. Okay, suppose A is 2 3 1 4 3 2 1 4 1, 3 by 3 matrix. Now here we have to take a third order identity matrix. I3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Now if you want to multiply A into I, what do you get? 2 3 1, 1 4 1, 4 3 2, into 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. What is the result? You will get only 2. Baki theta 0. You will get 0. So 1 0 0. You will get 4 0 0. Similarly, for this one, you will get 0 plus 3 plus 0, 0 plus 4 plus 0, and 0 plus 3 plus 0. And finally, for this one, you will have 0 plus 0 plus 2, 0 plus 0 plus 1, and 0 plus 0 plus 2. The result is 8, 2 3 1, 1 4 1, and 4 3 2. This is our A. Okay. Any eta jaha bhi he paribo, you can multiply A with I. I ta hamara fixed square matrix whose diagonals are 1. ताकू जब मल्टीप्लाई करबा हमें A ही पाई. This is, you can say, property number 1. Write down. Second, property second. Now you can say suppose you just remember these things. If A plus B and A into B both are defined, माने दीटा मैट्रिक्स नबा तेरो सम भी बाहरी पारथबो एंड समान को मल्टीप्लाई भी करा दे पारथबो ताहले हमें सेची देन A and B are square matrix of same order. Okay, in that case A plus B होथबो A into B. For example, exist equal सीधा करबे. Suppose A is equal to 2 1 3 2, B is equal to 1 2 3 4. Then we can have A plus B, which is equal to 3 3 6 6. We can also A into B, 2 1 are 2 plus 3, 3 1 are 3 plus 6, 2 2 are 4 plus 4, 3 2 are 6 plus 8, 5 8 9 4. So exist. So A plus B, A into B, only both A B square matrix with same order हेले ही संभव. Otherwise सब बड़े संभव हे परिवर्तन ना. यदि हमें general matrix नहीं दिया, monoica matrix नहीं दिया, it may be A B ही करे. Suppose you can say A is a 2 by 3 matrix and B is also a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, then A plus B possible, but A into B impossible. Because our column number, our row number अलग अलग अछि सेति पई A into B हबो नाही केवल A plus B ही हिपर। ओके, this is your property 2. You can write this one. Then property 3. In general, matrix multiplication is non-commutative. Non-commutative, that is A into B not equal to B into A. Sometimes possible नहीं होबनी गुणी बेटा. For example, suppose you have A is a 2/3 matrix and B A is equal to 2/3 matrix, B is equal to 3/2 matrix. Okay, then you can have AB that is equal to with 2/2 matrix, whereas BA a 3/3 matrix. Very interesting. So it गुणिले आरो रो नंबर कॉलम नंबर अनुसार एटा 2/2 मैट्रिक्स आसीबो. हमें जदि वोल्टेज दबा B रो 3/2 अछि, A रो 2/3 अछि. When you have 3/2, then you will have a 3/3, that is third order matrix. So it is second order matrix asila, it is third order matrix asila. So in general you cannot have A B is equal to B A. That's why it is non-commutative. Okay, if you want you can take 2/3 matrix and a 3/2 matrix, multiply it, very easy. हमरो एटा हमें लिखि पाइबा. Next, matrix multiplication is associative such that they all satisfy the multiplication condition, or you can say, or they are conformable for matrix multiplication. Okay, so you can have A B C is equal to A dot B C. such that a b मल्टीप्लाई ही करथबो जहा रिजल्ट आसबो ताको जदी c रे मल्टीप्लाई करि करथबा a b c मल्टीप्लाई करबा जहा रिजल्ट आसबो सेटा को हमें इरे मल्टीप्लाई करबो ओके राइट काहे देखिएगा हमारा पॉजिटिव अदरवाइज इट इज इम्पॉसिबल ओके राइट डाउन okay now suppose your a is your m by m by n matrix b is your n by p matrix c is your P by Q matrix. Now what about A dot B? Here you will get N, so you will get A by P matrix. Now A B टा गोटे कर दबा N by P into C P by Q. What you will get? ABC to गुणा रे M by Q matrix. Okay. Similarly, this is your LHS. You can have RHS. First रे BC बाहर करियो. BC टा B रे P अछि कॉलम C रे P अछि रो सो BC रो मैट्रिक्स ता हबो N by Q now A dot BC रे A रे अछि हमरो N BC रे अछि Q then it will be ABC of N by Q matrix right so you can take example of similarly remember one thing eta m by n r jetiki column r jetiki row r jetiki column r jetiki a condition re hi amaro associative law hold right okay right down next we'll go a peculiar property. What is the peculiarity in it? Now you can say suppose A is a non-zero matrix, that is null matrix है नथिबो. B is also a non-zero matrix, सेटा भी हमरा null matrix है नथिबो. But when we multiply AB ताहले AB रो प्रोडक्ट टा 0 हो जाए. Okay, so just I am giving example. AB is equal to 0, but A and B are both A and B both are non-zero matrix. Remember, this one possible in matrix only. Dita देखो अलगा अलगा है थी वो, but when you multiply, same माने 0 है. नंबर सिस्टम रे सब संभव न रिमेंबर वन जदि 0 होला निश्चित भावे गोटे नंबर सेतु 0 हे बट एठी a b both are non zero matrix but when you multiply they becomes 0. Suppose example देखो a is 2 3 0 1 2 0 1 1 0. B is another matrix 0 0 0 0 1 2 3. Okay, now we multiply AB आपको ऐसे तो मल्टीप्लाई करो ना 2 into 0 0 3 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 similarly 1 into 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 next एठी करिया सेम कथा 2 into 0 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 and in third also you will have 0 plus 0 plus 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 which is a okay so A is non-zero matrix B is non-zero matrix of third order. When I multiply AB, I am getting a zero matrix or null matrix. So this is the another property. Some of it, right? Right. Example. Okay. Another property AB maybe is equal to AC but it is not true in general. AB is equal to AC implies B is equal to C. It is not true in general. एटा हमरो नंबर सिस्टम रे ही बा बट मैट्रिक्स रे हमें एटा हमें गारंटी दे कि कहि परिबानी जे AB is equal to AC रे हमरो प्रोडक्ट टा जो आंसर आसीबो ताले सेटा हमरो इक्वल आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल A is equal to 140250360 B is equal to 321 and C is equal to okay. Now look at it. If you multiply, what you will get? 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 3 7. Okay. Then 2 3 ja 6 plus 5 11, 3 3 ja 9, 6 1 ja 6, 15, right? Now we go to second one. चलिए के 4 4 दूने 8, 8 4 12. Okay, 2 दूने 4 पाँच दूनी 10 14 तीन दूनी 6 6 दूनी 12 okay now we go this one 13 2 17 3 7 12 13 11 14 17 15 18 and 20 this is your AB what about AC सीट की एक सूची देखो 3 के 3 4 के 4 7 11 एंड 15 12 14 18 13 17 and now here AB is equal to AC but A not B not is equal to C. Look at here. Beta, eta, theta, eta. B होगा C होगा. B को कम से कम थर्ड होगा. C को थर्ड और C तो होगा लगा. Okay. So this is your हमारा next property, sixth property. Right down. Okay. Next property. You can say matrix multiplication is distributive, that is A B plus C A dot B A dot C such that AB and AC conformable for matrix multiplication and B plus C exists. Okay, so normally हमरो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स नंबर जदी तीनटा देखो ऑफ सेम ऑर्डर ताले हम किसी प्रॉब्लम आसे इफ यू टेक इन जनरल A B C take square matrix of same order. पहले हम कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा. Okay, so this is your distributive. Then finally you can say this is the last property. You can have, okay, This is all about your product and transpose. The transpose of the product of two matrices. The transpose of the product of two matrices is the product of their transposes is the product of the transposes taken in the reverse order. Okay, this is your important thing. Mane rakta, we know that earlier A plus B रो transpose हिंखिला A transpose plus B transpose. But in case of matrix multiplication, A B रो transpose जल्दी करिला. It will be reverse in order. B transpose A transpose. Remember this. AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Right? We can verify this one. Now to verify this, we'll go to question. Exercise रो कोटे question करते बा. So that our exercise problem is your verification be here. Okay, write down this one. In the exercise, you have the question number 28. There are two questions. Question number 28 and question number 40. दीटा देखो हमरो एबे जो प्रॉपर्टी नेले ताकू रिलेटेड हिते अछि. Now I do question number 28 रो first bit. A given what is equal to A is equal to 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 and B is equal to 1 2 2 0 minus 1 1. Now verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So to do so, first of all, हमको कौन करियो पड़ियो? Now listen, this is a 2 by 3 matrix, this is a 3 by 2 matrix. First of all, हमको दीटा देखो पार्ट करियो पड़ियो, both LHS as well as RHS. First में LHS क्या करियो, then RHS को जिमा. LHS रे AB बाहर करियो, गुणिकी, तार ट्रांसपोज करियो रखिबा, then RHS ପାଇଁ B रो ट्रांसपोज, A रो ट्रांसपोज काटी गुणिबा. First of all, LHS AB पाखा पाखी लिखि दियो so that हमको इजी हो. देखो पहले एबे हमें डायरेक्ट पके परियो हमरो मल्टीप्लिकेशन हेई गलानी 1 1 जब 8 एमती गुणा हो 1 1 जा 1 2 2 जा 4 minus 3 3 1 जा 3 minus 4 minus 1. Similarly, this one 1 2 is 2, 2 0 0, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, minus 2 0 1, 2 is 2 by 2. चलिए को 5 और 3 गले 2 3 minus 5 minus 2, 2 plus 3 5, 6 plus 1 7. This is your AB. Now what about AB transpose? Row columns either change होगा. This is your first row. 2 5 is your and minus 2 7. LHS. Write down LHS. I'll go through the RHS. I am writing here RHS. So for RHS, you have to transpose both A and B. Now what is A transpose? 1 2 3. It will be like this. 3 minus 2 1. With this becomes a 3 by 2. Now B transpose 1 2. It will be like this. 2 0 and minus 1 1. It is a 2 by 3 matrix. Now you have to multiply B transpose A transpose. Remember, reverse order रे कोई दिया प्रथमे B लिखिबा 1 2 minus 1 2 0 1 into 1 3 2 minus 2 3 1. So multiply. It is a 2 by 3 matrix. It is a 3 by 2 matrix. Obviously, the new matrix will be of order 2 by 2. एक के एक प्लस 4 minus 3 2 0 plus 3 then 3 8 ऐसे तो 2 2 जा then minus 1 2 3 जा 6 0 then 1. So it becomes 2 plus 4 6 minus 3. Two minus 2 5 7. So this is your B transpose A transpose. Therefore AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose B. You have to do like this. First of all, this is a question. Then take LHS, find AB. AB पर AB नो ट्रांसपोज बाहर करियो. Then A transpose B transpose करके B transpose A transpose गुणिला करे कितनी पाइयो. Then your verification. Okay. Write down. Okay. will go through the exercise. Exercise up to you can say 20% पूरा easy problem जाको अच्छी you can do. Okay, बहुत easy problem जाको अच्छी जैसे कि question number 1. Question number 1 रे कौन सी से write down the state the order of the matrices. So first step, what is the order? What is the order? It has gote row अछि, तीनटा कॉलम अछि, 1/3. Second 1 2. What is the order? There are 2 rows. Third x y y z z h. There are 3 rows 1 2 3 and 2 columns 3/2. Fourth, by mistake it is just given a determinant. Fourth टा हमरो you can say third order determinant sign दे दीजिए. स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स हमें कौन दबा ताको थर्ड ऑर्डर कर दो. सॉरी 1 2 3 4 1 0 1 4 2 1 3 0 and -3 2 1 3. There are 3 rows but 4 columns. Remember, you should give these type of sign. So it is a 3/4 matrix. 1. Question number 1. Question number 2. In the question number 2, how many entries are there in a 3/3 matrix? 3/3 मैट्रिक्स रे कितना एंट्री रहबो. Suppose you have A B C D E F G H I. It is a 3/3 matrix. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर दे you will have 9 entries. Okay. 2 3/4 matrix. Dual entries 3. P/Q matrix. PQ entries and 4. The square matrix of order P. A square matrix of order P is equal to P square. Thank you. Rows etna, columns etna. P square entries. Okay. So this is your question number 2, right? Question number 3. You have to give examples. You can give examples yourself. Question number 4. 3 टा हम स्किप कर देची तमे निजे निजे एग्जांपल्स दे दो. Question number 4. 1 2 3 4 1. 4 5 6 1 2. 3 9 1 1 6. So it is a 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. तो 3/5 मैट्रिक्स तारा क्वेश्चंस हमें कितना मिल देजी से There are 4 bits. What is the order of the matrix A? Order of A is equal to 3 by 5. Why 3 by 5? तुमको तो जाना पड़ेगा. Row 1, row 2, row 3. This is your column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. Then write down the entries A31, A31. That means eta I amaro, eta J. As I told you, I is equal to row number, J is equal to column number. So third row first column element. 1, 2, 3. This is your third row. This is the first element. A31. Then A25, A23. A25. A25 पहले second row fifth element. Second row fifth element. This one. That is your 2. A23. Second row third element. 6. Okay. This much. Then our next bit. What is the write down A transpose? A transpose पहले row जाको column होगा, column जाको row है जीरो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 1, 6. Okay. And last one, order of A transpose. अच्छा प्लीज देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 पांचटा रो तीनटा कॉलम. Okay, got it? लिखो. आमे आज एतकी रखिबा. We will continue in the next class. Up to 20 we can do it. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.